Some people have been asking me about my switches I've installed. They're Trilogy Savage switches, nice Gucci brushed aluminium style type things rather than the standard Westfield rocker type switches. Obviously the one of the issues is that you have to cut off the standard Westfield connectors and basically put your own connectors on there. These switches are illuminated, so for instance, if I put the side lights on there, you see that all the switches are illuminated. You may actually notice there that this switch here, the side light switch, is actually brighter than the other switches. That's actually by design. What I've done is I've made my own pigtail looms between the switches and the Westfield loom, and basically installed an inline resistor and a couple of diodes. So basically, when the switch is activated, it's brighter by default without that extra resistor in there. That is the standard sort of brightness you get. But basically I decided that I could kill two birds with one stone and have these LEDs as warnings the switch is activated, as well as basic illumination at night. So taking the side lights off there, if I, for example, switch the hazards on, there you go. That's obviously serving a pretty useful function there for the SVA, because without a hazard warning lamp you won't pass the SVA. So the normal thing people do is install sort of a 60-star bullet type lamp in the dash. So I haven't had to do that because I've used that dual purpose LED now. I'll put the side lights on there. I put the dipped, you can see that that's illuminated brighter, and if I also put the main beams on, and you can see here that in my nice dash 2 digitised dash, I've got the warning lamp there as well, and likewise if I put the fog lamp on, that's also illuminated. Even the horn illuminates as well, and the engine start button won't actually activate because the ignition isn't on. If I actually put